Set na anti-hair loss, I recommend these two products. Si Rosemary Anti-Hair Loss Shampoo at Hair Growth Essence. Galing kay Dr. Lan. Grabe, kakapagupit ko lang kahapon kasi sobrang bilis tumubo ng buhok ko. At hindi naglalagas. Ito Dr. Lan shampoo na to. Na sobrang napapabilis kumapal yung buhok ko. Kahit tignan nyo pa yung mga benefits niya. Na sobrang dami at original yan. Walang halong chemical kaya safe siyang gamitin. Meron pa tong anti-hair loss, reduce hair fall, less shading, straighten hair roots, improve scalp circulation, support healthy hair growth, makes hair smooth, adds natural shine, softness, dry and itchy scalp, and hair looks thicker and fuller. Tapos sundan mo pa nitong Dr. Lan Hair Growth Essence para to sa mga naglalagas na buhok at gusto din kumapal at tumibay yung buhok nyo. Grabe din yung benefits niyan na organic, kaya don't panic, it's organic. Kaya kung nakakaranas ka din ba ng ganitong sitwasyon, solusyonan nyo na habang maaga pa. Meron kasi itong black rice extract for straightened hair strand, black sesame extract para makatulong sa pagbawas ng hair fall mo. Meron din ginger extract to boost scalp circulation, rosemary oil to support hair regrowth, biotin to improve hair thickness, at itong caffeine to energize hair follicles. Kaya kung gusto mo maging healthy yung hair mo habang maaga pa, just click my yellow basket.